we guide you through how to adjust page border margins in Microsoft Word so your document layout looks clean and professional. First thing you need to do is open your Word document and go to the Design tab on the top menu. Click Page Borders, then in the dialog box, make sure you're on the Page Border tab. Next, click Options and you'll see settings for margins where you can adjust the distance of border from the top, bottom, left, and right edges of the page. You can choose whether the border measures from the page edge or the text, depending on your preference. After adjusting the margins, click OK, then apply to save the changes. This allows you to customize how close or far the page border appears, giving your document a polished and well-balanced look.